With AI integration revolutionizing search engines, traditional SEO strategies are no longer sufficient to stay ahead. Today, we're embarking on a journey to measure your brand's visibility in AI answers, optimize your content for citations, and demonstrate ROI in this new era of search. We'll unveil the power of the Semrush AI SEO Toolkit, turning uncertainty into a quantifiable strategy. AI-generated summaries, such as Google's AI overviews, now dominate 40% of local search results, and AI-driven systems like ChatGPT handle over 2.5 billion daily prompts, many of which resemble search queries. However, here's the common hurdle. As AI search reshapes visibility, SEO practitioners are grappling with how to gauge their presence in these AI-driven results. Many businesses are discovering that their SEO strategies fall short. If you're feeling like you're navigating in the dark, you're not alone. 91% of SEOs are fielding questions about AI search, but only 35% have a dedicated strategy. We're all in the same boat, pondering over how to measure visibility, what content truly resonates, and how to validate ROI. The game has shifted from pursuing rankings to earning citations. This shift in focus is a game changer, necessitating a new set of metrics and a fresh perspective on SEO strategy. First, we need to redefine success. Your new key metric is AI visibility. How often your brand is mentioned in AI answers. This means that the more your brand is referenced in AI-generated responses, the higher your AI visibility. We need to track our citation rate for key topics, our share of voice within AI responses, the sentiment of those mentions, and whether we are the primary source. This isn't guesswork. This is the new data-driven SEO, and you can track it all. This is where the Semrush AI SEO Toolkit steps in. It's designed to address these pain points head-on, offering tools to track your brand's visibility in large language models, LLMs, and AI-generated answers. I'm an affiliate partner of Semrush, but everything I share in this video is my genuine, honest opinion. I've added a link in the description to this AI SEO Toolkit so you can follow along with the tutorial and start exploring Semrush yourself. The AI Toolkit costs $99 per month per domain, with weekly data updates to keep you current. AI search visibility used to be a matter of guesswork. With Semrush, it's now measurable. The AI SEO Toolkit helps you track your brand's AI mentions across the digital landscape, enabling you to see exactly where you stand compared to your competitors. No more guessing about your AI visibility. It's all laid out with comprehensive tracking and actionable recommendations. AI-driven search is more than just tracking keyword ranks. It's about building a strategy that ensures your brand gets the AI citations that matter most. Semrush makes this possible by offering Generative Engine Optimization, GEO, a framework that lets you track your brand's performance in AI answers, local search results, and more. Here's how you make it measurable. Inside the Semrush AI SEO Toolkit, the first step is to establish your baseline. This toolkit is your trusted companion in the new SEO landscape, providing the data and insights you need. I'm adding my brand and my top 2 competitors. The tool immediately shows me our current visibility across different AI models. I finally have a starting point. Next, I analyze the questions people are actually asking AI about my industry. This is a goldmine of content ideas perfectly aligned with generative search behavior. Now I can see my AI's share of voice and sentiment compared to the competition. My competitor is mentioned more often, but the sentiment is mixed. That's my opening. The toolkit provides actionable recommendations for building citation-ready content, what entities to include, FAQs to answer, and sources to cite. This turns insights into an immediate action plan. Your playbook is built on 3 principles. Make it measurable, look beyond old metrics, and move before your competition does. It's a simple loop. Discover the right topics using the toolkit. Design content built for citation. Think clarity, authority, and structured data. Deploy your content and monitor its performance in AI answers weekly. This strategy lets you answer the key questions your stakeholders have about winning in the new landscape of AI search. AI search is already here, transforming how we interact with the digital world. Don't get left behind. Embrace the power of Semrush's AI SEO Toolkit and turn AI visibility into a measurable, actionable strategy. Stay ahead of the competition and ensure your brand thrives in the AI-powered search landscape. If you're excited to try it, Use the link to purchase the Semrush AI SEO Toolkit in the description to sign up. If you have any feedback, drop a comment below. And don't forget to sign up for our free AI tools guide, packed with the latest free AI tools that can help you ditch pricey software and boost your productivity. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.